Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a breakfast casserole. So I usually make the breakfast casserole for my son so he could have that already made for his breakfast throughout the week. Well, up to about 3 days mostly. And I put some of his favorite stuff in there, and also I try to incorporate vegetables because it's a struggle with this child and vegetables, okay? Especially stuff like spinach and green beans and stuff like that. So I tend to put them in here. I mask it with the taste because there's turkey sausage in there and all that, so he doesn't really take the taste of the vegetables. So that's all for my ingredients. I have onions here, chopped onions, grated garlic. I have some thyme, I have some green peppers, some parsley, and some sweet peppers right here. Then I have a little bit of paprika, black pepper, some edible. I have 5 eggs here that I'm going to beat later. I have about a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I have here the turkey sausage. I have Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. And I have milk. I choose almond milk. You can use whatever milk that you would like. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding some butter. So I can saute okay, so now I'm going to add the turkey sausage. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding the seasoning, a pinch of paprika, black pepper, and the edible.